Hello there! We are going to learn how to make these origami t-shirts today, which could also be a little Father's Day gift idea. So these are some of the materials we will need. You will need a piece of paper, could be colored or white. If you've got some extra scrap paper lying around you want to use, you can use that. Something to color with, scissors and glue for those extra add-ons. And we're not there yet. Yeah, we need to learn how to make it. There we go. Okay, here's step one. All right, step one, you're gonna grab your piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half, hot dog style. So pinch the corners and fold, chomp, chomp, chomp all the way down. Just make sure it is folded nicely. All right, then open it up. You should see that folded line down the middle. Now you're going to take the one side and fold it into the middle, where that middle fold is. Fold it all the way in there. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Fold that side into the middle fold. All right, so once you have that, what you're going to do is flip it around to the other side. Make sure you flip it, and then what we're gonna do at the top, we're gonna fold the top down about the length or size of like a penny, I would say. So fold the top down. All right, what this is gonna be eventually is the collar for our t-shirt. So once we have that, now we're gonna flip it back over to the front. And now what we're going to do is take that corner, you see that corner? We're gonna fold it into the middle. So it's gonna be like a diagonal. So I'm gonna fold that in just like that. So that corner meets the middle. So it should create that diagonal fold if you open it, okay? Fold it, do the same thing to the other side. Take that corner, fold it in to meet that where the other corner of the collar is. Just like that. So now we're starting to see our collar form for our t-shirt. Fabulous, look at that. All right, we're gonna give it a really nice fold, make sure it is good to go. So at the bottom here, I'm going to take that inside corner and I'm going to fold it out diagonally, okay? So I'm folding that corner out at a slant. So I'm taking that corner and just folding it all the way out until it cannot go anymore. And here's just a quick recap if you missed those steps. Remember, you can pause or rewind the video at any time because I know this is kind of fast and maybe a little confusing. So always feel free to do that. All right, so now we're going to fold the bottom up. We're gonna fold it basically in half, folding it up to the collar. We're gonna put it under those little collar pieces. We're gonna stick it under there and fold it, and boom, there you go. You got a t-shirt just like that. So you're gonna give it a nice, make sure you give it a nice fold so it all sticks together. Now this could also be like a little card where you could write on the inside. So see how I opened it up right there and close it back up? So you could make it like a little card as well. So now this is the fun part. Once you have all that, you can grab all your other materials and start decorating and add any other details to make your t-shirt. So you can be as creative as you want here. You can grab your scrap papers and glue things on. Right now I'm gonna draw a tie so you can look and see what the steps are. If you wanna draw a tie, you draw a horizontal line across, 2 diagonal lines coming out, then from there 2 diagonal lines that come in, and then 2 long diagonal lines that come down, and then a little V to close it off, and there you go, there's your tie, if that's something you would want to add to your t-shirt. Again, of course you don't have to do that, but that's just an idea. And you can get, like I said, as creative as you want. If you want to add things, if you want to cut things, glue things, if you have like buttons or pom-poms or any kind of crafty things that you want to add to your shirt, go to town, be as creative as you wish. So I'm just gonna do some couple of different things for mine, kind of testing out and see what I like, what I don't like, glue things on. And of course, most importantly, have fun with this. And stay tuned for some more ideas. like I mentioned earlier, you can make it into a card. So by opening it up, you could write a little message, or you could take your school picture or a picture of you. And do you recognize that person? That person is moi. Yep, that's me. Oof. When I was in elementary school, I don't know when exactly, but anyways, you can put a picture of yourself in there, write a little message, and give as a little gift. And of course, once you're done, make sure you clean up all the mess. Well, I had a super fun time making these. I hope you did too. I made some for any and all occasions, whether it be business and work with a little tie or chillin' with a Hawaiian shirt. Have fun and be as creative as you wish.